Alright, basically this is a review video for this tool. It's a positioning dolly set. It's a jack at the same time. It's got wheels in it so that you can move your car. So I'll show you. Okay, so how we're gonna use this? Okay, first you're gonna have to remove the hook here, lock it, release it, and then slide. Right? Put it in there, compress it. Now you have to pull up this lever here, like so. Right, just adjust the thing, and now after all that, all you have to do is just step on this pedal, like so. Release, step, release, step, release, until the car is off the ground. As you can see now, the car is lifting, and that's it. Car is off. Okay, so here's the other side. Same thing. Right. So now the car is off the ground. Now you can push this car wherever you want to go, wherever you want to move it. Okay, so now I'm going to push the vehicle. Easy. As you can see, it's very easy to move. Right? Move this way, that way, this way, wherever you want it. But if you want to go forward, if you want to go that way, then you're going to need 4 of these. Okay, so now when you're done, you want to release it. So all you have to do, just pull this lever back down like that, and then you compress it again, like so, and then release. Compress, and then release. Press it, release. You gotta release it all the way though. Press it, release, press it, release, set, release, and that's it. Now you can move it, take it off. All right. So that's it. Yeah, if this video helps, consider to like, share, subscribe. See you in the next video.